It's hard to miss the buzz around blockchain technology these days. From cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to supply chain management and beyond, this innovative approach is transforming industries in ways we never thought possible. Hello viewers and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demystify blockchain, an innovative technology that is reshaping industries around the globe. Join us as we explore the inner workings of blockchain, its potential applications, and how it is transforming various sectors. So, let's dive into the video. What is blockchain? At a basic level, blockchain is essentially a digital ledger. But what makes it so revolutionary is the way that data is stored and verified. Rather than relying on a central authority or intermediary to manage transactions, blockchain uses a network of computers to validate each one. When someone initiates a transaction, such as sending cryptocurrency, it gets added to the blockchain as an unverified block. These blocks are then distributed across the network for verification. Once enough nodes have confirmed the validity of the block, it's added to the chain permanently. Because this process relies on consensus from multiple parties rather than centralized control, it offers several unique advantages. Origins of blockchain. The origins of blockchain technology can be traced back to the early 1990s, when researchers first started exploring the concept of a digital ledger system. However, it wasn't until 2008 that the world was introduced to what is now known as Bitcoin and its underlying technology, the blockchain. Satoshi Nakamoto, an unknown person or group of people, created Bitcoin as a decentralized payment system that would eliminate the need for financial intermediaries like banks. The blockchain served as a public ledger that recorded all transactions in chronological order and ensured their validity through cryptography. Bitcoin's rise in popularity sparked interest in the potential uses of blockchain beyond just cryptocurrency. Today, we see applications ranging from supply chain management to voting systems being developed using blockchain technology. How does blockchain work? Blockchain technology is essentially a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. It operates on a decentralized network, meaning there is no central authority or governing body controlling the system. Instead, all participants have equal access to the ledger and can verify and approve transactions. When someone initiates a transaction, it gets broadcasted to every participant in the network. These participants then use complex algorithms to validate and authenticate the transaction before adding it as a new block onto the existing chain of blocks. Each block contains multiple transactions, forming an immutable record of all past activities on the blockchain. The security of blockchain comes from its consensus mechanism, where each participant has to agree on any changes made to the data stored within it. Once added, these blocks cannot be altered or deleted without permission from everyone on the network. Types of blockchains. There are three main types of blockchains: public, private, and hybrid. Public blockchains are decentralized networks open to anyone who wants to participate. They offer a high degree of transparency and security, since all transactions can be viewed by anyone on the network. Bitcoin is an example of a public blockchain. Private blockchains, on the other hand, are centralized networks restricted to a limited group of users. These types of blockchains are often used in enterprise settings, where privacy and control over access is important. Private blockchains offer greater efficiency than public ones, since they don't require consensus from as many nodes. Hybrid blockchains combine elements of both public and private blockchains. They allow for a more flexible approach, depending on what kind of data or transaction one wishes to store or perform with it. It's still early days for hybrid chains, but experts believe that they could play an important role in bridging between different industries with different needs, such as finance institutions, supply chain management platforms, amongst others. Benefits of blockchain technology. One of its most significant advantages is decentralization, which eliminates the need for intermediaries such as banks and other financial institutions to facilitate transactions. Instead, transactions are carried out by peer-to-peer networks, providing users with greater control over their assets. Another benefit of blockchain technology is its immutability. Once data has been recorded on a blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted without the consensus of all parties involved in the network. This makes it an ideal platform for secure record-keeping and transparency. Moreover, blockchain technology also promotes privacy and security since each transaction on a blockchain is verified using complex algorithms before being added to the network. Additionally, cryptographic encryption ensures that only authorized parties have access to sensitive information. Furthermore, blockchain technology has significant cost savings implications for businesses due to its decentralized nature and elimination of intermediaries' fees, while increasing efficiency through automation. It can help companies streamline their operations by reducing administrative tasks associated with traditional processes. Lastly, yet importantly, blockchain's smart contracts feature allows two or more parties to execute binding agreements automatically when certain conditions are met without third-party intervention, hence promoting trust among them. Use cases for blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has been hailed by many as a revolutionary technological breakthrough. It offers a decentralized and tamper-proof system that can be used in numerous applications across various industries. One of the most popular use cases for blockchain is in finance and banking. In the financial industry, blockchain can offer faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions compared to traditional banking systems. Blockchain-based payment systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum are now widely accepted by merchants worldwide as a legitimate form of payment. Another possible application for blockchain technology is in supply chain management. By using this technology, businesses can track products from their origin all the way to the end consumer with ease and accuracy. This could lead to increased transparency within supply chains, which will help reduce fraud while enhancing customer trust. Moreover, blockchain may also have promising applications within government agencies such as voting systems or record keeping on public services such as healthcare or land registry offices. There are countless potential uses for blockchain technology beyond just finance-related industries. It has vast implications throughout different sectors ranging from healthcare to real estate, ultimately helping these fields streamline processes while increasing security measures. Drawbacks of blockchain technology. As with any technology, blockchain has its drawbacks. One of the biggest issues is scalability. As more transactions are added to a blockchain, the size of the network grows, and it becomes increasingly difficult for nodes to process and verify every transaction in real time. This can lead to longer wait times and slower processing speeds. Another concern is security. While blockchain is often touted as being secure due to its decentralized nature, there have been instances where hackers have exploited vulnerabilities in certain blockchains or used social engineering tactics to gain access to private keys. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.